In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset WooCommerce, a process you might need to undertake if you're looking to start fresh with your store or troubleshoot certain issues. We'll guide you step by step through this procedure, ensuring that you can reset WooCommerce with confidence and ease. First, you're going to want to head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Plugins. Hover over that, and a drop-down will appear. Click on Add New from this menu. This will direct you to the WordPress plugin repository, where you can search and add new plugins to enhance your website's functionality. In the search bar on the top right, type WP Reset by Web Factory Limited. This particular plugin is a powerful tool designed to help you reset various components of your WordPress site, including WooCommerce, back to their default states. After typing in the search query, you should see the plugin listed at the top of your search results. Go ahead and click Install Now. Your site will take a moment to download and install the plugin files. Once that's complete, the button you just clicked will change to say Activate. Click it again to activate the plugin and make it ready for use on your site. After activation, the next step is to initiate a reset. For this, navigate your way back to the left-hand menu and look for the Tools option. Click on it, and then select WP Reset from the submenu that appears. This will take you to the WP Reset interface, where you'll find various resetting options. Scroll down, and you'll see a section labeled Site Reset. This is where the magic happens. Before proceeding, it's crucial to understand that resetting a site is a significant action. It will remove all customizations and data you've configured after installation. Make a backup of your site if there's anything you might want to keep. If you're sure you want to continue, you'll need to confirm your decision by typing the word Reset into the designated confirmation field. This simple task is there to prevent accidental resets, so remember to proceed carefully. Finally, once you've typed in Reset, locate the Reset Site button just below the confirmation field. Click on it, and the plugin will begin to reset your WooCommerce and other site configurations to their original state. This should only take a few moments to complete. Once finished, you will have successfully reset WooCommerce. Your site will be fresh, as if WooCommerce was newly installed, and you can start configuring it from scratch or troubleshoot any previous issues. I hope this tutorial demystifies the process and provides you with the confidence to manage your WooCommerce site effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.